If you made presentation in gammaai and now you need to download it either as a PDF or PowerPoint file, in this video I will exactly show you how you can do this. Currently, as you can see, I'm on a main dashboard in gammaai, and you need to make sure you are logged into your account and you can see the projects like me. Now, for example, if I want to download this exact presentation, I can click on this to see the presentation, and here in the top right corner you should see three dots. So you want to click on those three dots and simply find export option. Now if I click on export, it's going to show you some options how you can download this. So you can export it as a PDF file, you can export it to PowerPoint, which is PTT file, then you have export to Google Slides. So if I click on export to PDF, it's going to start generating, as you can see, exporting to PDF. So now we have to wait a second and it should start downloading automatically. So you can click either on this or wait for the download. Now I can open it and you can see we have this PDF file. Now, for example, if you want to download it for PowerPoint, simply click on export to PowerPoint and it's going to download the PTT file for the PowerPoint presentation. So you just have to wait a second for it to download. If the download doesn't start automatically, you can also click on this, click here to download it, and it's going to download your file. So as you can see, this one is larger because this is PowerPoint presentation. So we can open this and we can check if everything is working. And here we go. Now we are in the PowerPoint and we can basically edit our presentation over here. So I can, for example, add some shape over here. I can change the text and stuff like that. So this is all going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.